Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mega Mariati from the Business Education Study Program Faculty of Economy, Jakarta State University. I want to thank you for coming to my presentation, expressive for their Business Education Coordinator, Mrs. Rina Parlina. My first supervisor, Dra Tince Yandini MPD. My two supervisor, Terry Lina Arvinta Monoarfi MM. My examiner will examine my presentation seminar today. Chief examiner Rina Parlina, expert examiner Mrs. Koririana MM, Sekretari Rahmi MSM. Thank you very much for taking the time to be my examiner today. Today I will present a research proposal entitled The Effects of Self-Efficacy and Motivation on Student Entrepreneurship Intention at the Faculty of Economy, Jakarta State University. There are the things that I will say, namely, first, the introduction, which include a reason for pushing the title and background of the study. Second, the literature review, which includes the critical discussion and relevant research. Third, the research methodology, which include research instrument, research to be carried out, namely data collection, technique employed, population, and research sample. Alright, let's go straight there. The first discussion is titled The Effects of Self-Efficacy and Motivation toward Business Intention in Student of Faculty of Economy, State University, Jakarta. Research background, self-efficacy, motivation, intention, business. Based of official data from the Central Statistics Agency, the result of the entrepreneur interest survey said that 46 students were yes and 66 students were not. Background of the business intention theory variable Y. According to Mahesa and Riharja, the intention of entrepreneurship is a tendency in a person to create and business. The business activity carry out their organization, managing, take risks, and development the business. Background of your self-efficacy theory X1. Think always that self-efficacy is a present belief to master a situation and produce first positive result. Self-efficacy will help deal with situation when someone is not stepping and affording them the belief of that they can success in doing it. In Dayana and Marbun explain some definition according to expert, namely theory motivation is a desire in someone who is stimulating to take various action. Relevant research. Alberto Gonzalez and Kobe Linkard include of personal variable on entrepreneur intention. HTP doi Oregon 10/26/78. Dewi Karyaningsih, the relationship of creativity, self-efficacy, and entrepreneurship intention to study. Journal of Economy and Business Education. Flora Puspitaningsih, self-advocacy and entrepreneurship, part of entrepreneurship is through motivation, Journal of Education, Economy and Entrepreneurship. Mahesa and Reharja, analysis of motivation factor affecting entrepreneurs in first, Diponegoro, Commercial of Management. Ada and Mahmud, the import of Instagram was an attitude of entrepreneur motivation and entrepreneur interest economy education analysis journal. Theoretical framework. Flora Puspitaningsih, there is a positive and significant effort between self-advocacy and entrepreneur intention. Saada and Mahmud, there is a positive and significant effort between motivation and entrepreneur intention. To be an entrepreneur, forcing a craft as entrepreneur will be better than working and employed looking for all information about entrepreneurship and willing to spend money. Following entrepreneurship training, expanding social network to become success entrepreneur. Self-efficacious instrument. Dimensi, context for the ability to manage a business. Condition in success in every entered condition have a skill, need a form entrepreneurship. Content to overcome the problem to be part. Content has success club about entrepreneurship. Coder will be success if entrepreneurship control is obliged to control the rationale they have. Corner direct the average result. Counter plan everything need for entrepreneurship. Confidence face every risk and that come with entrepreneurship. Motivation instrument. Dimensi 1. Achievement need. Indicator 1. Introduce something new or important and creative. Number 2. Looking for feedback about his action. Number 3. Choose the risk for his action. Number 4. Taking personal responsibility for his action. Dimensi 2. Every that need. Number 1. For indicator, love friendship. Number 2. Seek approve of agreement from author. Number 3. 5. To cooperate then to complete. Number 4. Trying to effort concert. Dimensi 3. The need for power of word outer. Indicator number 1. Like where they become leader and number 2. Very active in determining the direction of activities. Number 3. Happy with the text external to him. Research methodology. The price is research was conducted at UNJ. Method. The research user quantitative method. Population. This race-wise condition to a student of the Faculty of Economics Jakarta State University. Data analysis multilinear regression. Data technology for purposive sampling. Sample State University Facultas of Economy study students who have entrepreneur intention. Thanks for looking my presentation. Assalamualaikum.